In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a church flyer. If you are old here, thanks, and if you are new here, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Without any further ado, let's get started. Now go to File, select New. Then we are going to use 4 by 5 inches over here. Then your resolution 300 for social media RGB. So click on Create, and this is our background. Then over here is the resources we are going to use. So we are going to import this drum here and reduce the size. Alright, so now we are going to rasterize it. Then click on this and we are going to remove the background. So after that, convert it to smart objects. And these are the text we are going to use. So first I'm going to make a copy of this one, Ctrl C to copy. Then select your text tool, Ctrl V to paste. Then change the color to black. And these are the fonts we are going to use. But meanwhile, this particular text, then this is not the font I'm going to use on this one. So I'm going to look around to get a font from here. So between these two, I'm going to select one. Then let's make use of this one. Alright, then I think I'm going to go with this text over here. So the next one now, then we need to adjust the text. Then go back to your text document and let's copy this one, Ctrl C to copy, or you can right click and copy it. Select your text tool, then Ctrl V to paste. So now we are going to change the font to, that is Oswald. Then making it bold. Then reduce the font size. Use your arrow key to drag it up. It's okay like this. Then we are going to duplicate it, that is Ctrl J to duplicate. Then copy this one. Select your text tool, highlight, and Ctrl V to paste. Nice, okay. So what I did, we need to rasterize the text over there because we are going to cut it out. Then press delete to remove that particular area. Now select your ellipse tool. We are going to draw a circle. Then position it around here. Make a copy of this one. Then paste it and change the font. Then reduce the font size and take it over here. That is okay. Then we need to duplicate this one. Select your text tool, then go to your text document, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl A to highlight, and Ctrl V to paste. We need to adjust this one, shift it over here, then also increase the font size. It's okay. Then select your right angle and draw a right angle shape around here. Then make a duplicate of that text and drag it over here. Then go to your text document, then make a copy of this one, select your text tool, Ctrl V to paste. Then select the text and come over here to rotate it minus 90 degree. Okay. Now position it in the box. The next we are going to make a copy of this one. Select your text tool, Ctrl V to paste. And now we are going to change the font. That is all right. So the next we are going to select all the text here, then right click and convert it to smart object. Now import this background image over here, then reduce the size, then create a clipping mask, then change the blending mode to exclusion, and reduce the opacity to around 83%. That is okay. So having grouped it, then we need to unclip it so that we are going to apply an effect of adjustment to this one. Then select the perspective and scale it like this. All right, this is okay. Then you can turn it on now and clip it back. So here is the outcome. Then you can now group it together, adjust it. So we are going to apply this color balance on the drum. Then make use of this setting over here, -41. Then and the magenta, we are going to use +60, and the yellow we are going to use -100. So this is the changes. Then clip it only to the drum. Now we are coming back to the background. Then import this one, scale it out, and before making use of this background, then we need to grade a color, another color. So we are going to make use of our gradient, then drag this one down, and we are going to make use of this color here. Then in our text document, this is the color code. Click OK to apply it. So and follow up this setting here. Then having done that, then we are going to import this one also. Now we need to scale it a little bit, just a little. All right. Then apply your layer mask and blend the top here. But remember to change this color to black if your own is not black at that particular time you want to apply it. So make sure that it is black. So now that we have blended it, then we are going to adjust it and bring more. Then color balance, follow this setting, -77 for the cyan, and the magenta +78, and the yellow -40. So we are done with that. Now we are going to turn on this one and change the blending mode to soft light. Then go to your blur, Gaussian blur, then and reduce the blur so that we can reduce the sharpness. Okay, so now we import this one and we are going to reduce the size. Then apply your layer mask, select your gradient tool and blend it, and the other side here. Change the blending mode to screen, and the opacity we are going to reduce it to 70%. So now we are going to also import this one, then reduce the size, position it around here, and change the blending mode to multiply. Reduce the background. and the opacity we are going to reduce it to around 32%. So that is okay. We need to drag our text up above. Okay, so there is a mess up now at the process of dragging this. So we remove the adjustments, but no problem. So let's continue. We will come back to that. So now it's time for our heading. Create a rectangle line here. Change the color to white. Also change the font color to white, and also the font we need to change it to Montserrat. Then make it semi-bold. Reduce the font size. Then close the space. That is okay. Adjust it. Reduce the logo size. Also reduce this one. Alright, that is okay. Then group it. Go to select all. The vertical alignment to centralize it. Go back to select and deselect it. So the next we are going to copy our text from here. Ctrl C to copy, or you right click and copy it. Ctrl V to paste. Now reduce the font size. Then come to your character spacing over here and open the character spacing. Select all. Then and position it at the center. Alright. So next we are going to create a rectangle at the bottom here. Then select your gradient overlay. Then now this is the color we are going to use, so you can take note of that. Then select this one and copy it. That is for the location. Then import the location icon. Ctrl U for hue and saturation. Then select your text tool and paste the one we copy. remove the character spacing by 0%, then make it capital letter and reduce the font size. Increase the font size. So let's increase it a little. That is okay. Then we are going to drag the duplicates over here. Then double click on the FX here and select the text, the color. So now we are going to change the color. Then I'll copy this one here. So we have to interchange the color. Ctrl C to copy. Import the calendar icon. Position it around here and reduce the size. Go to adjustments, select hue and saturation and change the color to white. Then the shortcut is Ctrl U. Then Ctrl V to paste. Duplicate it. Then we need to make the text bold. That is okay. Then next we are going to draw a rectangle line here. Change the color to white. Sorry guys if I'm a little bit fast. Then duplicate this one, Ctrl J to duplicate. Then make a copy of that one. So we need to arrange them in order. Alright, so bring this one over here. Then copy this one. Then go back to your text. We need to reduce it to medium. Then apply vertical alignment to centralize the text. Then reposition it and increase the font size. So that is okay. So we need to group them. Increase this font size. So now we need to group all of them together. You can rename it. So that is our location and date. So now centralize it. Fine. So now let's go back to this drum and fix it. Then let's look for the color balance. So that is it. Then let us drag it to the top here. And the next thing, we need to clip it to the drum so that it will not affect the background. So that is it. Alright guys, so that is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you, I really appreciate it.